instances, right? I mean, you need to adapt with changes in the political environment. You read about PEST trends always in your MBA program: political, economical, sociological, and technological trends. And political trends are the ones that govern laws. Multiple challenges throughout. The GST was one of the biggest challenges that we had to face, right? From a company and from a category that was zero excise, we had to move into a 5% GST regime, where the entire channel and entire business had to adapt to the new norm. But we looked at it as an advantage. GST gave us the opportunity to become distributed in our manufacturing. So we now have 11 locations close to market. Logistics costs have improved. So GST has been a blessing for us. Our costs are rolled up, and it's a fantastic initiative by the government. So GST is one example. I can write a case study about it. If you look at a country like Brazil, where we had a major challenge when agarbatti got reclassified from a religious product to a cosmetic product because the consumption in that country increased. So we had to completely get into new regulation, registration, get REACH registration, look at environmental compliance, get the product lab tested, certified, change packaging, adapt to new packaging norms, communication on the devices changed. So these are, part of business reality, right? I mean, adapting to change with political laws is something that you have to learn to live with. And you need to look at the advantage with each and every such opportunity. Because there will be challenges always, but in challenge lies opportunity.
Certainly.